Hello again. I'm going to teach you how to protect the entire workbook. So then let's say you're going to be giving this document to a government entity, or you are working for a government entity and you're giving it out. So in my line of work, we get things from government bodies like what is it? It's like the DMV in America. We have like Vic Roads in Australia. And so when we get those kinds of information, obviously they're going to be highly sensitive information. So we need a password, right? And the way they do it is if you go to File and you go to Protect Workbook, you can see Encrypt with Password. So if I do that, it's going to say what password. Now just be careful because, for example, with Facebook accounts or Google accounts or PayPal accounts, those kinds of things, if you forget your password, there's a password recovery function. But Excel doesn't have a password recovery. So if you forget it, that's it, right? So please, take a note of it, write it somewhere, tattoo it on your chest or, on the bottom of your foot, wherever it's kind of hard to find, but it's findable, then put it in there. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go OK. It's going to ask me to confirm 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And then I'm going to save this file. I'm going to save it into my downloads again, like we did in a video just before. Let's go downloads, and I'm going to call it, if I can get out of that extra window, password. Okay. And let's go save. Right? I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to go into that downloads folder. I'm going to try and open the file. So here it is, password. And it's going to ask me for a password. And if it doesn't, it's going to be embarrassing. Okay, good. It's there. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to unlock. Right? Now to get rid of it, I'm actually going to go from memory on this one. I'm pretty sure you go Save As. Right? You go Tools. General Options, I think it was. Right? And then you just get rid of the password. And that's it. Okay? And then you save the file again, and then you're good to go. And that's how you password protect the file. Hope you enjoyed, and see you at the next video. La la la.